Improved biomass cook stoves have a tremendous potential for addressing cooking energy solutions in rural areas apart from addressing health hazard concern and deforestation. Now we have a solution for pollution and deforestation. Frenzel Biomass Cook Stove. Here we are going to a describe video about this product. This is wood stand on which we have to keep wood to burn. This is pot stand on which we have to keep our pots. This stove is about 10 kg. It is not too heavy to lift. This is ashtray. It is used to keep waste. These are two rings to lift it very easily. The fuel which can be used in biomass cook stove are upla, waste cane, coconut waste, bhusa bhusi, RR wood, sunflower waste, popcorn waste, waste burning wood, etc. In India, around 75% of rural population still uses traditional biomass as the main cooking fuel in traditional chulha. Fire Angel is the natural dark, smokeless improved biomass cook stove. This is the way how to burn Fire Angel smokeless improved biomass cook stove. Fire Angel smokeless improved biomass cook stove have been developed for combustion or gasification of biomass, and it burn the fuel 3 times more efficiently than traditional stove. Now we are going to put a small pot on the stove. And see the burning fire. We can put different kind of pots on this stove, like big pots, small pots, tawa and many others to make our meal easily. Fire Angel is smokeless improved biomass cook stove produce very less smoke while burning. It saves nature from pollution and also check indoors air pollution. After burning, sometime wet fuel also burn. It can cook maximum food by utilizing less fuel and spending less time. Cooking food is very safe and healthy. It can be used with less manual intervention. It burns 1 hour and 30 minutes by using just 1 kg of fuel. Our product saves 50 to 60% of fuel. It produces heat 3 times less more than the normal stove. Our stove does not turn off until the fuel exhausts completely. It is very easy to use and maintain. The product weight is just 10 kg.
Fire Angel Smokeless Improved Biomass Cook Stove, tested at Biomass Cook Stove Center, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi. Approved by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India.
Now we are going to dip some wood in water and put it in Frenzel biomass cook stove, and let's see how it burns. As you see, there is no difference between normal wood and wet wood in burning. It is very helpful in rainy days when our fuel get wet and it's not working in normal chulas. Fire Angel biomass cook stove, the wet fuel will also burn as normal fuel. Improved biomass cook stoves have tremendous potential for addressing cooking energy needs in rural areas. Apart from saving biomass fuel and addressing health hazard concerns, particularly amongst women and children. The field performance study of pilot scale projects will help in creating publicity and awareness and in developing strategy for large scale development, including business models for cook stoves in the country.